Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about 3 exercises that can help you ease the pain and discomfort and also maintain shoulder mobility. Frozen shoulder is a common condition that can occur due to various reasons including injury, surgery or prolonged immobility. The symptoms of frozen shoulder can range from mild stiffness to severe pain and limited mobility. So let's get started with the exercises. The first exercise is called pendulum swing, also known as Codman exercise, which helps in improving the flexibility and range of motion of your shoulder. Start by standing straight with your feet shoulder width apart, then bend your knees slightly and lean forward. Now let your affected arm hang straight down towards the ground. Keep your other hand on a chair or a nearby object to support your body weight. Gently swing your arm back and forth, side to side and in circular motions. Repeat this exercise for about 10 to 15 minutes daily. The next exercise is called shoulder blade squeeze, which helps in strengthening the muscles around your shoulder joint. Sit straight on a chair with your arms hanging by your sides. Now slowly move your shoulder blades towards each other and squeeze them together. Hold this position for about 5 to 10 seconds and then release. Repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 times daily. The third exercise we will be discussing is the doorway stretch. This exercise helps to stretch the muscles and ligaments in your shoulder joint. Begin by standing in a doorway with your arms outstretched and your hands on either side of the door frame. Slowly lean forward until you feel a stretch in your chest and shoulders. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds, then relax and repeat for 3 to 5 repetitions. So these are the 3 exercises that can help you manage the symptoms of frozen shoulder. However, it's important to note that these exercises should be performed under the guidance of a physiotherapist. If you experience any pain or discomfort while doing these exercises, stop immediately and consult your doctor. Remember to be patient and consistent with these exercises, and you will gradually see the improvement in your shoulder mobility and flexibility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.